In 2025, Google Business Profile continues to evolve. And the new features aren't just small tweaks. Businesses now have more powerful tools to connect with customers, show up higher in search results, and manage their presence more easily than ever before. In this video, we'll walk through the most important updates and features you should start using now to stay ahead. One of the biggest changes: AI-powered profile assistance and smarter analytics. GBP now offers AI-driven suggestions to help you optimize your listing. Everything from better descriptions to recommended keywords based on what people search for. You might also get automated draft replies for common customer questions or reviews, which saves you time if you run a busy shop or a service business. Messaging and communication features got better too. Now you can integrate direct contact methods, like WhatsApp or text messaging, right from your profile, depending on your region. This helps make it super easy for people to reach you. Some businesses are also using auto responses or chat features to handle basic inquiries immediately, especially outside business hours. Visual content and multimedia are more important than ever. GBP now supports video uploads, richer photo displays, and more flexible media options. So you can add behind-the-scenes clips, product showcases, or highlight your services directly on your profile. For restaurants and retail shops, there are enhanced menu and product listing options, making it easier for customers to see what you offer before they visit. Google has also improved its review and reputation management tools. The system is now more strict against fake or spammy reviews, and business owners have better ways to flag or dispute suspicious activity. Authentic reviews and real engagement, like replying to reviews or customer questions, now carry more weight for local ranking and trust. For multi-location businesses or those who manage multiple branches, GBP has made life easier. You can now set special hours or holiday hours and copy those settings across multiple locations, instead of editing each one by one. That saves time and helps ensure consistency everywhere you have a presence. Also noteworthy, the way Google ranks local businesses appears to be shifting. In addition to traditional factors, like reviews and correctness of info, engagement metrics, such as how often people view your photos or videos, click calls or directions, or interact with posts, matter more now than ever. Active, up-to-date profiles with good engagement are more likely to rank higher. Finally, GBP is making it easier to blend online business tools and e-commerce workflows directly into profiles. For retail and product-based businesses, integration with inventory listings, online booking, and product showcases means potential customers can sometimes even buy or reserve products straight from search. That's a big leap for small businesses. If you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or manage any local shop, these 2025 Google Business Profile updates are worth checking out and implementing now. They help you stay visible, responsive, and trustworthy online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more guides and updates on growing your business online.